Hey everybody, welcome back. So working on the D100 again, and got a freeze plug back here that's out, right? I showed you before. Alright, so I'll show you the freeze plug back here. There it is, right? So it was all rotted and leaking, and I punched it out, and now I'm gonna try to fix it. So what I got is I got from O'Reilly's. I went to O'Reilly's Auto Parts and got this Dorman 1 1/4 rubber freeze plug. And so you put it in, and then you crank it tight right here with this nut, and it goes in, and it expands the rubber out, and then you're good. You don't have to hammer it in. So a tight spot like this, no problem for the rubber freeze plug. So I don't know if you guys had known about that or not. My stepfather Bill told me about this, so I thought that was a pretty cool little thing. I had no idea they even existed, so I'm gonna put one of these in now. You can see how it fits nice and snug there, and then I'm gonna push it all the way in. Probably as far as I can, really, I'm guessing. So it kind of seats in there. Feels like it's all the way in, all the way around evenly. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then we'll just tighten that nut up, and it should expand it out, and we should be good, baby. There you go. It starts to expand it out. Good to go. That's what I'm going to go with. Until it leaks. If it leaks, I'll tighten it up. So, gotta add some coolant to it. So I got some Prestone, and ooh, look how rotted and crappy that is. Maybe I should probably flush that system while I got the chance. So let's jack it up. We'll drain the oil and we'll flush the radiator out. Well, we'll at least drain it out for now. What's up, buddy? Ready to do an oil change? Huh? Oh boy. We'll get it up and put these jack stands under it and grab a drain pan and start draining it up. Oh yeah. Like that. Oh. Okay. The coolant just fell. Good thing I didn't open it. Alright, put that back over here. Go get a drain thing for the radiator. Go down and drain the oil. So, I'm assuming it's a 5/8. I'm not really sure. Lucy. Feels like water almost. Not some good oil there at all. Hopefully that jug, hopefully that is enough to hold it. Doesn't look like it. Alright, so I'm gonna cap that off. And dump that and then come back. Alright, so I got the Mobil 1 oil filter and the Mobil 1 high mileage 10W30. We throwing that in there and just pour it in like so. And let it absorb in there like so. You want to go ahead and pre-fill these so you don't have any oil starvation in the engine when you go to start it up. And then just take a little dab there on your finger and just go around on the rubber there. Got the damn light in the oil. That ain't good. Trying to film stuff makes things way harder, so I'm just gonna put this damn oil filter in and be done with it. Oh yeah, spill a little oil all over the arm. It's always good. There we go. What's up, Pesci Wayne? Almost got it, boys. All right, y'all. So here's the lower radiator hose. Gotta go right there and get the other little hose clamp off right there. 8mm, and we'll have that hose out. That one wasn't in very tight, I can tell you that. All right, a couple of tugs, one tug, and there you go. It's out. Oil filter in, lower radiator hose out, and you can see how nasty that is. Oof. Yeah, we definitely don't want that. All right, so this one actually looks kind of new, but I'm not taking any chances with it. Damn. Whew. Yeah. I need a new thermostat in there. What do you guys think? Holy shit. That is rusted. I imagine the radiator probably looks exactly the same. yeah, check out that thermostat, guys. Wow. Haven't seen one that bad in a long time. Not since my 68 F250 I had. But man, good lordy. Completely done for. Alright, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We need all the support we can get. We enjoy all the comments you guys put down below. We like hearing from you. So let us know, drop us a line and let's communicate.